Okay, so the first thing we want to do this morning is fold up a regular piece of paper. So we're going to fold it this way, in half, top to bottom, or side to side. I'm lining up the corners and then pulling my thumbs down like this to get a tight, crisp fold. Then I'm going to fold it again this way. Then I'm going to unfold it. So now it's folded in 4 large areas. Then I'm going to fold it this way. Lining up the corners again very tight. Put my thumbs in the middle and pull it out like that, and then crease it with my fingernail or my thumbnail. Then I'm going to fold it again like this. This can also be done with notebook paper if you don't have any printer paper. So when I unfold it, there are now 16 sections. The next thing I'm going to do is take a straight edge. If you don't have a straight edge, otherwise known as a ruler, you can use a magazine. I don't know why I'm out of focus, but you'll still get the idea. Well, it's not focusing, so we'll have to figure that out later. You can take a pencil or a pen. I usually use a pen when I'm doing rough sketches. But I'm just going to line up the magazine in this case, or straight edge, and I'm going to draw lines like this. Let me show you this too, because this is something that my master teacher taught me when I was doing my student teaching. If you put your pencil down on the line where the fold is, and then put your straight edge up against the side of it to line up the top, this edge is already straight. I know this one's on the line. This one is not, so I'm going to rotate it until I get it right there and draw another line. Then I'm going to do the same thing on this side. So I'm going to put my pencil here, rotate it until it's straight up there, and I'm just going to repeat this process. This allows me to very quickly draw straight lines using my straight edge. It looks like my magazine is almost exactly the same as that. So this is going to be what we do our daily doodles on. So, first daily doodle is going to be a very simple creature. See if I can zoom in. Not going to let me zoom. Okay, so I'm going to do this on another video because it's not letting me zoom while I'm recording.